Welcome to the Healey Brothers Pod.
All right. So welcome to the Healey Pod. We got Billy Birmingham, our general manager and partner at Healey Chevrolet in Poughkeepsie. That's the first time we get to say that on film. So that's pretty awesome. I'm Jay Healey, your host. And today we're just going to talk about the remodeling of our facility here in Poughkeepsie. Obviously, it's a long time coming. This facility was beautiful to begin with. We updated it. Also, it's also about the customer experience. So if you want to take us through what was behind it, why'd we do it? We did it for a different flow, or what's the reasoning there behind it?
At the end of the day, it's all about providing a better experience for your customer, right? So getting them in and out quicker, providing them with better, furniture, better accoutrements in the store, a better workflow for our employees, to be more productive as a group. So, it is a physical renovation, but at the end of the day, the purpose truly for us was to add a few more personnel that we needed back in the service department, just to make sure that we're ensuring the best customer experience we could. And we needed some space for that. So we needed to change the footprint. We needed to create a better workflow. And I think our customers have voted a resounding yes to all the changes that we made.
Yeah, just the waiting room now. It seems like we actually have more people wait now.
Yeah, and that's the thing. More people, live a hectic life. They want to wait for their car. They want to be in and out. And they want to get us down quickly, right? They don't want to be here all day. So instead of shuttling them out of here, we want them here, but we also want them to be comfortable when they're here.
Yeah, it's almost like the Starbucks feel back there with the workspaces and stuff.
Yeah, it was important for us to give them different options. If somebody wants to watch the television, if somebody wants a quieter space to do some work, we created these privacy areas, these privacy pods where people are free to do their work and to get on with their day while they're here.
Yeah, I know some of our content guys hide in the back corner there, and they do some work in a couple of those pods back there. They love them.
We made them a little too comfortable.
Yeah, they're too nice. All right, so I also like the flow. You changed the flow from sales to service. It almost like at some point seemed like it was more separated, like not exiled, but there was like a gap.
Yeah, I think our finance offices, just due to the layout, the floor plan of this original building, they were segregated. They weren't really in the mix with the sales department. And I don't know if it was uncomfortable to take a customer from, one department and then walk them down a hallway and meet a strange person that's going to handle their financing. I think it blends a lot better now in the showroom. They have a lot more access and they're a lot more involved, and it's a quicker trip for the customer.
Yeah, it seems like those guys are more engaged, which they're the one doing the funding, helping the customer get the best possible rate. So, just Kevin alone, you could just see he's way more, not that he wasn't engaged, but it just seems like he's more engaged. He has his pulse on it more often. He doesn't have to hang out in that office, just standing there when stuff's going on. You
see the doors open, customers flowing in and out, asking questions. Yeah, they're part of the team.
And then obviously the main part here is that service drive. When the customer walks in, they pull their car and they come in, you have all that space, the more modernized, the better lighting. So what was the thought process behind that? I know Chevy helps out, but
we want it to be inviting, right? We want them to feel comfortable. We don't want somebody to pull their car into our service lane and not know where to go, okay? Or be scratching their head and try to figure out, do I enter here? Do I enter there? So it's just a much more better workflow for the customer. It's easier for them to figure out what my next step is. Now that I've got my car here, who do I see? Where do I go? And of course, we have personnel directing that also.
Yeah, and then the service manager seems to be more involved there too. It's kind of like his office was a little more hidden before. It was like a little darker little area. But now it's right out in the open, and obviously that nice flow of when they're all standing up there, that beautiful look, the TV's in the background, it's clean. It's that appeal of like a modern workspace, which people seem to really love and enjoy.
You got to modernize. You have to show that you're willing to put an investment back in your business, right? It speaks volumes about your business and that your business is healthy, right? And that you want people here and you're willing to invest in your facility.
Yeah, and we're always saying, a lot of people we don't want people in the facility. We want people in our facility. Like there's car dealers that would go out there and say, I want them to pick up and drop. Yeah, it's great, that convenience aspect, but you want them here. You want them to enjoy. You're building it for them. The customer experience is what matters. And I think some dealers forget about that. I know that's why we did it here, and you're a big customer advocate, obviously. And we're always going to reinvest in our facility. It's the best investment we can make, obviously, besides investing in our people. A couple more things here. I know we talk about the reasoning behind this whole thing is for that customer experience. What are there any more renovations coming along? Or I know you're always looking for the next modernized.
We've done a lot to this facility alongside with these renovations. We air conditioned our entire shop in the last year, which was a big step. a big investment, but that was all for our technicians. It was long.
Investing in our people, yeah.
You know, in order to retain your personnel, you have to, you know, continue to up your game on your side of that, the employer, and give them a good work.
How'd that go over for the techs?
I've never heard a happier bunch.
Yeah.
No. And even these last, you know, few weeks that we've been close to 100 degrees, I can't tell you the feedback that they've given me, that we would have had some days that were unable to work.
Yeah, it's a heat.
We just had too
I mean, it's a big
much
tin
stuff.
can, really, the back of a shop. So it's like it's a heat box. So
It's made a huge difference for us.
all right. So what are the other? What's our other team members saying about the new waiting room and all that layout?
I think everybody loves it. I think, you know, Chevrolet's design was well done and well thought out. And then our execution of it was well done and well thought out. You know, we took our time. We made sure we had the right finishes. We had the right workflow. It wasn't an easy process because it's disruptive to your business. But at the end of the day, I got nothing but good response from everybody.
And we're able to show it off a little bit right here with this beautiful office. I mean, before your office felt like it was a little hole in the wall with the glass, a little more privacy for some phone calls and well deserved. But the couches need we're mastering the couch. So
Yeah, we're gonna take care of the big fella.
But I also a couple things. Just the sales team, when they're walking about there, they seem more proud to be in the facility when they're going to see their customers back there that are coming in for service. They're going to say hello. They're like the smile on them. Not that it was bad, the waiting room. It was just a little outdated. It was also darker. Just the lighting alone just brightens up the mood. You can see that even the customers when they're in here, their mood of just being in here is like, okay, this is inviting. I don't mind waiting a little bit longer if something's going on with my car. I can work here. I can get stuff done. So I think it's overall A+.
Notices and the customer notices.
Yeah.
On our surveys coming back to us, it's a 10 or 20% rate that customers are commenting and saying, well done, good job. I like the new this, or I like the new television, or I like the new coffee area, or I like the new privacy area, or it's, you know, just nothing but positive feedback for us.
Yeah. Well, it came out beautiful. You did a great job because I know you are very OCD like me, where everything has to be perfectly laid out, detailed. Then today it's a big plus for us, and plus for our group to have a better facility because Chevy's obviously one of our big brands we're invested in. So, anything else?
No.
All right. Well, thank you, Billy.
Thanks for tuning in to the Healey Brothers Pod. We'll see you next time.